Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have arrived at the time of the year when graduating young bankers across the country don their caps and gowns and arm themselves with a big grin as they march across the stage to receive their postgraduate diplomas. This journey began in the year 2012 when the first batch of young bankers joined the Manipal Academy of Banking. Today, we are proud to say that more than 950 students have already passed out of this course, and over 550 students are going through this journey to become young bankers. The bank takes immense pride in congratulating the graduates who have successfully completed the Axis Bank Young Bankers program in association with Manipal Academy of Banking. May I now request Dr. Raj Shekhar, Deputy Director, Manipal Academy of Banking, to welcome the dignitaries, faculty, students, and most importantly, the graduating young bankers. Also, I would request the Deputy Director to declare the convocation open.
Good morning. Mr. Rajiv Anand, Mr. Rudrapriya Ray, Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Mr. Vaitishwaran, Dr. Tamaya, senior officials from Axis Bank, graduating young bankers of Axis Bank, my colleagues from Manipal University and Manipal Global Education Services, proud parents of graduating young bankers, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Manipal Academy of Banking, I extend a very hearty and warm welcome to Mr. Rajiv Anand, Group Executive, Retail Banking, and Mr. Rudrapriya Ray, Executive Vice President and Head Human Resources. Also to Mr. Gururaj Rao, Regional Distribution Head South. I have a great pleasure in welcoming Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Pro Vice Chancellor of Manipal University, and Mr. Vaitishwaran, MD and CEO, Manipal Global Education Services. We congratulate all the graduating young bankers and their proud parents also, and extend a very warm and hearty welcome to senior officials from Axis Bank, my colleagues from Manipal University, and also the parents, faculties, and all guests and invitees. May I now call upon the young bankers of Axis Bank to welcome our guests with bouquets. Thank you very much. Now I declare the convocation open.
वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः ॐ शं नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शं नो भवत्वर्यमा शं न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो.
Thank you, sirs. The Axis Bank Young Bankers program is today an established program in its own right. The program has over the last 3 years graduated from a path-breaking initiative meant to identify and nurture first-day, first-hour bankers to an established strategy of the bank. The Young Bankers program has evolved from the visionary direction provided by the leaders of Axis Bank and Manipal Global Education. The underlying philosophy was of creating a talent pool of skilled human resources to act as an enabler in the high-growth phase of the bank. This led to the partnership of the Axis Bank Young Bankers program and Manipal Global Education in 2012, culminating in the launch of this program for banking services to create the frontline leaders of the bank. It is an institution that combines the industry and academia experience, an institution that provides the experience of learning by knowing and learning by doing. The program has not only been able to deliver its objective, but also provide banking careers to all of those who have aspired of one. Let us now see the journey of the young bankers through an AV and understand how we have evolved as a program. Can we have the AV, please? Ladies and gentlemen, all the young bankers, you deserve this. I would now like to invite Mr. Vaitishwaran, CEO Manipal Global Education Services, to deliver the keynote address.
Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Mr. Rajiv Anand, Mr. Rudra Prayare, Senior Management of Axis Bank, distinguished faculty, young Axis Bank probationary officers, proud parents, ladies and gentlemen. It's always stimulating to come and be amidst this sort of a crowd. And every time I come here, I share an anecdote, which at the cost of repetition for some of you, I'd like to do this. Firstly, I think all of you here, young officers of the bank, are a very privileged lot. And I say this from a couple of perspectives. As young officers that you have joined here, as you saw in the audiovisual and amongst the leadership of Axis Bank present today, right from the very beginning, you people are fortunate that you have so much of attention and time that the leadership of the bank is bestowing on you. We had Shikha Sharma come and spend time. We have several senior leaders, including Rajiv, who's here today. He's been here before, as I saw on that report of his. When we people joined our first job, I joined as a graduate engineer trainee. The senior most person that I would have met in my company in the first 6 months was the shop floor foreman. And that too by accident when he happened to come into my floor. And out here, I see that there's so much of time, management wisdom that you people enjoy as you step into the banking. And it's indeed a privilege that you people should not wear lightly on your sleeves. You go back to 3 years, 2012, when this initiative was started. And over the last 3 years, as we heard, close to around 1,500 eligible officers have been chosen to go through this portal. 700 of the officers are passed out from this academy and are working in different branches and different facets of the bank across the country. Many of you will take your first step today. All that you have done in the academy, to me, is like working in a simulator for an aircraft. You have gone through different types of issues and situations that you would need to confront when you're going to pilot an aircraft, from turbulence to airdrops to what have you. But you also know somewhere at the back of your mind that you are sitting in a simulator. And when you move from the simulator to a real steering of an aircraft, or in this case, jumping into your job, 3 things become very important from my perspective. One is that this industry, unlike any other industry, is unique in 2 aspects: that you people are bestowing that trust by parking their money with the banks. So in a way, you have a fiduciary responsibility as a custodian of somebody else's money, and deploying that money in a way that you not only protect his or her interests, but you take care of ensuring that they get good returns. So like any other job, here is a job which is going to have additional demands of you. You are joining an industry which, despite all other industries going through its curves of growth and flat periods, continues to do well, particularly in India, with a huge potential for you people as you step into your career and making a career with Axis Bank. 3 years back, Axis Bank took a very significant decision, the leadership of the bank, to depart from their conventional way of recruiting officers and going through this program of the academy with Manipal, where you people spend 9 months in the campus, 3 months internship before you hit the bank. I think this is a leap of faith that the bank has taken. the leadership in the HR team, the leadership in the management of the bank, have said that they will invest considerable amount of their time, resources, money to try out this new way of getting bankers into their stream, which will increase not only the productivity of the job that you do, but will also enhance the brand image of the bank. So as evangelists or people who have been the first lot of students, so to speak, who have been chosen to go through this program, you have three things to keep in mind. One is, of course, to keep your family, parents proud of what you are doing. They have made a lot of sacrifices to reach you to where you are today. You should always continue to remember the type of difficulties that they went through in providing you this career. And the only way to pay them back is to make them proud of what you do in the society. Your second stakeholder is the academy itself. And several years from now, when you look back that you went through this academy, the Axis Manipal Banking Academy should be proud that they churned out students of your caliber who not only do well professionally, but also are a good citizen. The third and most important, I think, is to the bank, where if this experiment is successful, if the bank believes that they have taken a right direction in terms of going through a new route of getting young managers into the bank, two things would happen. They would continue to invest in such initiatives on a go-forward basis, and people like you would become a role model for other aspirants in the country to see that if people like you can get into the bank and become successful, the others would want to emulate you. So while this is a great program, you had a lot of time spent in the campus, you had leadership of the bank come and spend time with you. End of the day, there is no free lunch. So the expectation is when you people go and start working in the bank, you would keep these three responsibilities in your mind in the way you conduct yourself on the job, off the job, and make the bank, the academy, and your parents proud of what you did. Congratulations on a big day for you, and God bless.
I would now like to invite Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Manipal University, to deliver the convocation address for the graduating young bankers.
Mr. Rajiv Anand, Mr. Vaiteeswaran, Senior Executives of Axis Bank and Manipal Global Education, Faculty of Manipal Academy of Banking and Manipal University, parents and my dear students. My heartiest congratulations to the batch of 2014 and their parents for successfully completing this course at the academy. Today, Manipal is a powerhouse in higher education. And if you look at what Manipal stands for, it's truly a conglomerate of 6 universities. Manipal University, the flagship university based here in India, the Sikkim Manipal University, headquartered in the northeast of the country, Manipal University, Jaipur, Manipal International University in Kuala Lumpur, Global Next University also in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and American University of Antigua in the Caribbean. And the total student strength on rolls today in these 6 universities would be close to 1/3 And that is something that perhaps no education group in the world has achieved. So this is where we stand in terms of the sheer size, reach, and range of the educational products that we offer across the continents. But in terms of quality, we are certainly there somewhere high up in the country. If Manipal University is to be considered, and the university from where you are graduating, we are the highest ranked private university in terms of research and academics in the country. We are ranked 85 by QS in the BRICS region. We are ranked number 13 by Webometrics in the country in terms when you consider the all IITs and IIMs put together. But if you consider the comprehensiveness of the educational offerings of Manipal University, I would say we are second to none in this country. And this is your alma mater. This is a unique and a signature program of Manipal University. Unique in the sense that it brings three interested parties together. We have Axis Bank, we have Manipal Global Education, and we have Manipal University sitting together in developing the curriculum, spelling out the syllabus, finding out the delivery models, and the three core things that the university always looks for is one, the entry, that means the kind of students that we admit, the content, what goes into the program, and what the final result and what becomes of the students when they graduate. And on all these three fronts, I should say that Manipal University is more than satisfied with the kind of programs that are run with Axis Bank and others. All the programs from Manipal Academy of Banking. A person who would have been truly happy to see this academy flourish and reach this stature would have been Dr. T.M.A. Pai. Dr. T.M.A. Pai, as you know, was a medical practitioner, an educationalist, and also a banker. He founded the Syndicate Bank and was its chairman for several years. A person who started educational innovation in this country and educational enterprise. A person who started the first ever private medical college in this country. And if he had seen the kind of banking education that goes on in this academy, I'm sure he would have been truly proud of what he had started way back in 1925. And today, I think we stand here bowing our heads in respect to this great individual. And like I said, the three interested parties in this program come together and co-conspire to produce the kind of products that you have become today. The true testimony, as I said, would be in the kind of value that you add to your employer. The academics would have been taken care of adequately by the teachers, the faculty who would have taught you, would have adopted the innovative methods of delivery and so on. But the core culture of the bank could have only been given to you by the senior executives who would have visited the academy from time to time. So this makes it unique, where we bring in three parties together in finalizing the final product, and that's you. Clause 135 of the Companies Act 2013 talks of 2% of the profits to be spent on CSR. This is for organizations, institutions, and corporates. But I think as individuals, this has to trickle down to every employee to say that we have a social obligation. Corporate social responsibility may be an obligation for the companies, but as individuals, we have equal obligation to the society. And this is something that all young professionals have to keep in mind. It is not something that is mandated on you, but this becomes a social obligation that we all have to adhere to. And I feel that it's not about money, it's not about sharing resources, but it's also about doing something for the society around us. Things like financial inclusion and literacy is something that young bankers like you can consider as an activity that you can perhaps adopt and take part in. I wish the young graduates the very best. I hope that you'll enjoy banking, continue to enjoy life, do yourselves proud, and do the academy and the university proud by all your achievements in future. Thank you very much.
Played exemplary performance in academics, in extracurricular and co-curricular activities during the course of Axis Bank Young Bankers program. I would also like to request Mr. Rajiv Anand, Group Executive, Axis Bank, to join us on stage for the awards distribution ceremony. We'll begin with batch 4. The academic toppers of batch 4. Rank number 1, Mr. Yet Sindhu. Young bankers can clap for the award winners. Rank 2, Sunit Mukherjee. Rank 3, Shubha Priyanka. In the co-curricular activity for NISM Depository, we have Yet Sindhu, who stopped the NISM Depository exam. Yej also tops the mutual funds exam, so he can stay on stage and collect his third trophy. In extracurricular activities from batch 4, we have Shubha Priyanka once again. Shubha Priyanka is followed by Richa Sinha. Continue the applause, ladies and gentlemen. These were your award winners from batch 4. From batch 5, the academic topper, Shashi Vardhan. Followed by Harsha Ramishetty. In fact, Harsha's parents, proud parents, also are seated in the audience. A big round of applause for Harsha. NISM Depository is topped by Ravi Teja. Mutual funds is topped by Rishi Vashist. Followed by Imran Khan for extracurriculars. Nishi Mohan for extracurriculars. And Vishal Sharma for extracurriculars in batch 5. Award winners for batch 6, academic topper Ayush Dobal. Srivastava, Love Arora, Juhi Srivastava tops both the NISM depository and mutual funds, so she can come back on stage to collect both the trophies. Satyanarayan Das in extracurricular. Followed by Sarbani Datta. And Sonam Saha. These are the toppers of batch 4, 5 and 6, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Thank you, Dr. Bhatt. I'd request Mr. Anand to stay back on stage. I'd like to call Mr. Vetishwaran on stage. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. It means that the Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Shiva, and Guru is Parabrahma, the Supreme Brahma. We offer our salutations to that Guru. Axis Bank would also like to recognize the faculty members and thank them for their valuable contribution towards coaching the young bankers. May I request Mr. Parameshwaran Iyer to please come up on stage. He is one of the most loved faculties on campus. Followed by Mr. Rukumangadan J. Mr. Prakash G. Ms. Roli Mishra. Ms. Radhika Arun. Ms. Kavita Rao. In addition to this, we'd also like to recognize the support staff who've been tirelessly working to make sure that your stay here at the program is good. I'd like to begin with inviting the warden for Chetana Habitat, Miss Maria to please come up on stage and receive the award. Love to hate and hate to love, but hygienic food is responsibility of the university. I'd like to call Arskan Dash, who's in charge for catering, to ensure that he provides hygienic food on stage to collect his award, please. This person is very important because if he is not on time, none of you will come to college on time. He is the transport in charge, Mr. Srivatsan. I'd like to call him on stage to collect his award. Last but not the least, we'd like to recognize the efforts of the Associate Dean, Professor Kumaraswamy, who has been with the program from the beginning. We would like to invite Mr. Rudrupriya Ray, Executive Vice President and Head Human Resources, to congratulate the young bankers and welcome them to the Axis Bank family. Sir.
A very good morning, and first of all, congratulations to all the batches. Of course, it's like welcoming all my existing colleagues and also my future colleagues in the bank. The group who would be joining in the near future by the end of the month. So, I suppose your journey in the last 1 year, some who have just completed, the others who have already joined the bank and part of the system, has been quite encouraging. Now, for the people, for the colleagues, future colleagues who would be joining us, I suppose now you are looking forward to a career which will span, I suppose, again, it should be spanned for years now. And for those who are already with us, I think you have been sharing your experiences with your batches, with your batchmates, and also the new joinees. The journey has been starting from 2012, the way we have built up along with Manipal Academy, and the way we have tweaked it over the years to make it more and more relevant for all of you to face the real world. The course itself is quite unique, where you get a feel of the bank while running through the entire curriculum. Apart from the internship which you have at the last 3 months, the experience of having a demo branch here, the experience of having the system on which you will be working there, it gives you a fantastic head start vis-a-vis who joins the bank from normal graduate institutes. So having the feel of the bank, I think, helps you quite a lot, and those who have already experienced the 6 months to 9 months in the bank would vouch for it. Yes, it's important again that the course which you go through and the actual experience, it differs. It ought to differ, because The one is, of course, what you learn. The other is what you experience. And the real life experience is always different. So you must be having, those who have already worked for 6 to 9 months, you must be having a mixed feeling. I can only tell you one thing, that you have patience, and that's extremely important in your career build-up. I would give a small example of myself only, where I also joined as a front desk officer in the bank 18 years back. And having a little more patience in you, number one. Secondly, allowing the organization to know you, and you also need to know the organization. These are the two very important aspects. Learning never ends. So one is the classroom learning, and the other is what you learn on your daily work. A lot of things you'll feel, I also found during my career, that what I learned and what in practice, sometimes we need to do workarounds. Because when you are having a customer interface, everything doesn't go as per script. It cannot go. So it's important that while you have got the knowledge, which the faculty has done an excellently good job, the real life experience will make you a true banker. I hope that you have already all decided to be career bankers, and that's what you should be. And your choice of joining Axis, I can tell you, it's been a right choice. Going forward, you are now the flag bearer of the bank's vision. As we were talking about earlier, when we talk about the most important part is the bank's culture. It's important again that you imbibe the bank's culture in yourself and carry it forward. And as we were just being spoken to about how you pass on this legacy to your subsequent batches, to your juniors, I think that itself will make the entire journey complete. Learning never ends, and I would request you to continue this habit of learning. Some of you, as I saw, have already qualified, have given other examinations. You have other examinations called JIB, CIB, and the early years of your career, you should use to learn as much as possible. Continue asking questions to your seniors, and you would come across a much wider, vision of what you had already done. You have heard about you have gone through the bank's vision statements. So it's not for living for today. It's like going forward, looking at the bank's 2020 vision of making banking simple. And the most important thing, what I feel, is customer centricity. This is the core of the entire bank's vision of customer centricity. Our existence actually is based on this customer centricity. I would once again congratulate all of you and look forward for an experience in banking with Axis. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very glad to have with us today Mr. Rajiv Anand, Group Executive, Retail Banking, Axis Bank. We would like to invite Mr. Rajiv Anand to deliver the presidential address. Sir.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a proud privilege for me to be here. Let me assure you that this is the first convocation that I've ever been to. And I think it's a really thrilling experience to be here. And I really don't know why, the schools and colleges that I went through didn't have a ceremony like this. Let me begin by congratulating you on the successful completion of the Axis Young Bankers Program and welcoming you, each one of you, to Axis Bank family. Banks are at the forefront of the service industry, and as we all know, it is no longer enough to just meet customer expectations. We need to strive towards exceeding expectations in every interaction across both physical and electronic channels. Hence, I cannot overemphasize the need to have great quality people as brand ambassadors of Axis Bank in every corner of the country. Axis Bank Young Bankers Program is an endeavor by Axis Bank in this direction to nurture industry leaders of the future by imparting domain expertise and skill sets in the field of banking, who at the same time continue to strengthen the bank's image on trust and dependability. I would also like to thank you for choosing banking as your career. There is no other industry as closely related to the growth and development of both society and overall economy. A career in banking would enable students like yours to not merely be spectators, but to aid and partner this growth over years. There are exciting times for banking. These are exciting times for the banking industry, and we can only expect the competition to intensify with newer banks coming in, as well as the launch of niche banks. I can, from my experience, share with you that this is clearly one of the best times to be in banking. Axis Bank prides itself as a young and vibrant organization and recognizes its employees as its greatest assets. Consequently, the employee satisfaction scores in the bank is possibly among the highest in the industry, and it does not just stem from compensation packages. The Axis Bank Young Bankers Program has been conceptualized and designed to provide a head start to students in a banking career and put them on a fast track to growth. As I look at all these young and eager faces assembled here, I am reasonably assured that each one of you has made full use of the program and the internship, and all set to embark upon a career with Axis Bank and leverage the skills that you have acquired. Axis Bank has a fairly long time. Axis Bank for a very long time has been on a trajectory of high growth. We have consistently outperformed the market by a huge margin and have been climbing up the ladder across parameters. I am proud of the fact that we are not only among the top banks on most counts, but also pioneers and industry leaders on many others. We have been recognized as the most trusted private sector bank by Economic Times Brand Equity for the last 2 consecutive years, and have also been awarded the best financial advisor in the private sector bank category by UTI Mutual Fund and CNBC. The front desk officers are our true ambassadors of our bank, and you would be part of the team which most frequently interacts with our customers. I would urge you to be empathetic towards the needs of the customers, constantly work towards keeping yourself updated on the bank's products and offerings, build a deep understanding of our processes, and enable yourself to provide solutions in the best interest of the customer. It would not be out of place to let you know that business should always go hand in hand with compliance. It is very important to be aware of the regulations and make sure that our bank is at no stage exposed to any regulatory breaches. The bank has put in place a Vision 2020 plan to be amongst the top 3 banks in the country on current and savings accounts and profits, while at the same time profitably reach 5% of the bankable population. We need the participation and wholehearted engagement of the young bankers like you to make all this a reality. At Axis Bank, we strive to create a culture which is conducive towards proactive learning and superior performance without losing focus on our corporate values. Our focus has been to align the personal aspirations of our people to business imperatives. Each of us Axis bankers takes great pride to be associated with the bank, and that is achieved through progressive in people practices, responsive in behavior, innovating for change and continuous improvement, developing for growth, and finally empowering for excellence. I once again would like to welcome you aboard and welcome you to the Axis family, and challenging endeavors and a long and fulfilling career with Axis Bank. And I'm sure a day is not far away when one of you will be standing here delivering the keynote address for future members of this program. Thank you very much.
For welcoming the young bankers into the Axis family and congratulating them on graduating. If I may request Diamond to get the team ready for the diploma certificates distribution. Young bankers, the most awaited moment has arrived. The moment that we wait for, the moment that we will cherish for a lifetime. The distribution of postgraduate diploma certificates in banking services management for the young bankers. May I request Mr. Gururaj Rao, Regional Distribution Head South, to please come on stage to distribute the first set of certificates to the young bankers. Ladies and gentlemen, can clap for the young bankers collecting the diploma certificates. Amrinder Yadav, Anil Kolla, Anil Y, Anurag Joseph, Balaji K, Vidyut Behra. Can you please clap, young bankers? All of you had breakfast and have the energy. Chandramohan Dubey, Dinesh Chandra, Jatin Kaushal, Jitin Raj, Leela Venkata, Madhukar P, Niharika M, Nitin Kant, Pallavi Patnaik, Priyankana Mazumdar, Ratnadeep Ghosh, Ravi Pal, Santosh Gopi Shetty, Saurabh B, Shalini K, Saurabh Sharma, Shrishti Sharma, Suranjan Panda, Vashishta N, and last one from batch 4, Vinod Kumar. We move to batch 5 now. A. Shravya, Akash Singh, Abhilash Alok Singh, Abhineet Kumar, Abhishek Bhagat, Abhishek Kumar Singh, Aditya Babu, Aditya Bhalla, thank you so much, sir, for distributing these certificates. For the next set of certificates, I'd like to request Mr. Rudrupio Ray to please come up on stage. Aditya Kumar Srivastava, Afreen Khan, Aftab Ansari, Akanksha Sharma, Akanksha Sinha, Akhil Kumar, Alisha Aishwarya, Amit Abhishek, Amit Kumar, Amoga R, Amrit Kumar, Anand Verma, Anand Shekhar, Ananya, Animesh Singhal, Anindita Ray, Anirban Sikdar, Anne Maria, Arush Anand, Atul Kumar, Atul Kumar once again, Atul Kumar Srivastav, Avinash, now that we start the B series, one big round of applause for all of them from batch 5 from A series who've completed. Bakya Preeti, Balakumaran, Vatsal Jain, the young bankers can come straight up here and stand here. Bhaskar, Vibin John, Chaitanya Gayapu, Challabhava Mitra, Chandan Kumar, Chandan Kumar, and Chandan Kumar hat-trick. Deepak Sharan, Deepak Rajak, Dipali Sharma, Dipanshu Tyagi, Divakar Acharya, Dolly Kumari, Ganesh Kumar V, Gaurav Kumar, Gaurav Patwardhan, Arshil Arora, Indra Ranjan, Jaita Basu, Joyjeet Saha, Kalali Vishnugaur, Kuldeep Singh, Kumar Gaurav, Kumari Kalpana, Kumari Soni, Mani Bhutani, Manoj M. Thank you so much, sir, for distributing this set of awards. May I request Mr. Shamlesh Chaudhary to please come up on stage to distribute the next set of awards. Maria Bobby. Mayuri M. Medhavi. Mukul Pandey. Nagapavani. Nagmani Khush. Nishan Dikshit. Nitin Manohar D. Nitish Rastogi. Nupur Chandra. Oshin Thapa. Can we have a big round of applause when we start P now? P. Gautam Reddy. Pankaj Motwani. Pankaj Mohan Jeena. Pendiala Anvesh. Pujan Garg. Prabhu S. Prashant Damu. Barsoon Kumar Jha. Pratik Gautam. Praveen Kumar Reddy Nalla. Premlata Balakrishnan. Priyanka Narang. Radha Dubey. Raghav Mittal. Rahul Chauhan. Rahul Thakre. Rahul UK. Rahul Kishore. Rahul Vyas. Ram K. Ramya R. Rangarao CH. Ranjit Kumar, Ratna Mulya, Ravi Ranjan Pandey, Rohan Kumar Singh, Rohit Kumar P, Saikat Chatterjee, Naveen Kumar S, Samiksha Acharya, Sanchit Jain, Sanjay D, thank you so much, sir, for distributing these awards. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. May I request Dr. Thamaya, Director, MUBC, to please come on stage to distribute the next set of awards. Satyajit Tripathi, Saurabh Tomar, Shailendra Dalela, Sailesh Kumar Verma, Shantanu Yadav, Sharmada G, Shatrupa Saranga, Shikha Padmanabhan, Shiv Kumar K, Shivani Sharma, Shivani Verma, Siddhant Singhal, Siddharth Kumar, Shobha Rani, Soumya HK, Shravan Kumar, Shrikant Behra, Srinivas MV, Subhajit Banerjee, Subhash Saraswati, Subrata Kumar, Sudhanshu Srinath, Suraj Kumar Patnaik, Sushant Ramachandra, Swati B, Sayyid Basim, Tata Praveen Kumar, Tushar Avasti, Vignesh D, Vivek Khurana. Thank you so much, sir, for distributing these certificates. A big round of applause. We complete. Akash Rawal, Agalya S, Aishikar, Akshay Kumar Srivastava, Alok Mishra, Alshina D, Aman Kumar Shukla, Amarnath, Amit Kumar, Amit Srivastava, Amit Kumar Singh, Anjali Darshan Talreja, Ankit Kumar, Ankit Shahi, Anusha Sridharan, Aprajita, Apurva Chaudhary, Arun Shriram, Asim Jain, Ashirvad P, Ashish Jindal, Ashish Mathur, Ashish Ranjan, Ashish Kumar Vithani, Ashok Ulli, Asif Khan, Arashish Chaudhary, B. Shailaja, Bachaspati Jha, Bala Bharati, Johnson, Bhagyashree, Bhargav A. Thank you so much, sir, for distributing these sets of awards. A big round of applause. Now we move to B. Kumar. Vijay Kumar Sahu. Vikash P. Viswajit M. Chinmay Patnaik. Devdarshan Panda. Diksha Bhist. Deepak Kumar K. Deepsha Nanda. Diksha Nanchal. Dilip Bhatnagar. Dinesh Bhatia. Dronacharya Mandal. Gagandeep Singh Kohli. Ganesh K. Gitanjali Shukla. Girish Ramchandra Shenoy. Gunjan Kumar. Harish Somisetti. Hina. Himanshu Awasthi. Jaykantan. Jayanti R. Jayati Sharma. Juhi Chhabra. Kanchan Srivastav. Kannan K. Kartik Kumar A. Kasi Prabhakaran. Kirti Bhatnagar. K.A. Bhattacharjee. Kisle Gupta. Krishna S. Yogesh P. Lokeshwaran K. Mallikarjun M. Mansa Kulkarni. Manish Agarwal. Manish Kumar Mishra. Manu Verma. Megha Mahobia. Milan Patnaik. Milan Mishra. Miriam Christina. Mohit Jain. Monica. Thank you so much, sir, for distributing these sets of awards. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have 2 more sets to go. Monica Dubey. Mubashir Basa. Murugan Pandian. N. Manoj Kumar Reddy. Navneet Patnaik. Naluwala Karthik. Naluwala Karthik. Nandini Patro. Nandini Patro. You can give the certificates. That's Nandini Patro. Naveen Kumar Reddy. Navneet Lotus. Neha Nupur. Neha Nupur. Nidhi Sahu. Niharika Sinha. कुमार, निकित माथुर, निकिता, निकिता देवेंद्र गुप्ता, नितेश दुबे, नितिन श्रीमल, नितिन सिंगल, नूपुर अग्रवाल, पावक, पायल श्रीवास्तव, पीयूष कुमार, कृष्ण चैतन्य, प्रवीण कुमार, प्रदीप्ता कुमार, प्रज्वल कुमार, प्रवीण कुमार, प्रीतम कुमार बेहरा, प्रिंस अभिषेक, प्रीतम होता, प्रीतम कुमार बेहरा, प्रियदर्शनी रवि, प्रियांक गुप्ता, प्रियंका देव, प्रियंका सिन्हा, राहुल गाबा, राहुल मजुमदार, राजेश कुमार साहू, राजुल अग्रवाल, रिचा लाल, रितिका रेणु, रोहित पालीवाल, रूपम कुमार, Sachin R. Patil, Sanchit Gupta, Sandeep R, Sasanka D, Saurabh Goyal, Saurav Mehta, Prakash Chavan, Shalini Raj, Shashank Tiwari, Shivang Saxena. Thank you so much, sir, for distributing these. Shrikant Kamal, Shruti, Shruti Kumari, Shubham Mishra, Siddharth Sangwan, Siddhartha Sai, Snehanshu Sudhir, Sonali M, Shrikuti S, Shrina S, Shubhangi Priya, Sumant M, Sumit Kumar Khandelwal, Supriya Kumar, Suraj Kumar, Surbhi Jha, सुरेश कुमार चौधरानी, तरुण शर्मा, तृप्तिपुरी, तुषार नेहरा, उपासना देव, उर्वशी जैन, उत्कर्ष गोयल, वैभव शर्मा, विक्रम सिंह, Reddy, Yugantar, Rashmi Ranjan Panda, Ritu Soni, Devaki M, Ashok Kumar Sahu, Nirmalya M, Mrityunjay, Piyush Agarwal, Akanksha Jain, Amar Kumar, Hariom Vats, Andeep Kumar Singh, Mahi Zafar, Bitan Chaudhary, Shubhra Gupta, Ankur Kalza, Ankita Bhaderia, Shruti Chauhan, Nitin Singh, Katil Khan, Bharat Kumar Reddy, Mohammad Zakir Khan, Tirupati N, last but not the least for this convocation ceremony, Chaitanya C. Thank you so much, ma'am. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all the graduates now. I would request Dr. Raj Shekhar, Deputy Director, to please come on stage and declare the close of convocation.
I declare the convocation closed.
As all good things come to an end, so does today's convocation ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request Professor Kumaraswamy, Associate Dean, Axis Bank Young Bankers Program, to please come on stage to propose the vote of thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we have acknowledged and felicitated individuals who have earned their merit in becoming professionals and set forth on their journey into the banking sector. As we draw to the end of the convocation ceremony, let us feel as proud achievers of all the accolades we have received and acknowledge the efforts of many who made this possible. I would like to convey our sincere thanks to the distinguished dignitaries, other officials, and guests who have graced today's convocation ceremony. Please also join your hands to applaud the entire team from Axis Young Bankers Program, particularly the 7th batch Young Bankers who have worked together to make this program and the convocation today a success. We are also thankful to the proud parents of young bankers who have accompanied their wards for today's function. We are thankful to the colleagues from Examination and Evaluation Center, Facilities team, and all others directly and indirectly connected with arranging today's convocation in a memorable way. Once again, hearty congratulations to all the graduating batch of young bankers and the best wishes for your glorious career ahead. Thank you.